Hey, I'm Joe Maclean. I live in New York City. I was a Student Works manager about 30 years ago. Before Student Works, I think of myself as an absolute mess, which is probably not true. But I certainly was gifted in finding Student Works and having the opportunity to really, for the first time in my life, create a significant achievement for myself. And certainly one of the best things I've done in life, and something that I still continue to draw on to this day. So Student Works taught me, a series of life skills and created a network for me that was really significant. First and foremost, I learned that I could believe in myself, that I had skills and abilities that I didn't know I had before Student Works. I learned how to run my own business. I learned how to sell. I learned how to hire. I learned how to manage. I learned how the economics of a business worked, how to run a profitable business. I learned and started to develop leadership skills. I learned how to interact with others. I learned how to work in a company, because Student Works is it's also a company where you have people that you're accountable to. And finally, I learned really what it was like to have exposure to a peer group that was truly extraordinary. And again, that I carry to this day. So first and foremost, Student Works has helped me from a career perspective. My first significant career achievement doing 2 years at Student Works, it certainly helped propel me into a job in New York in investment banking. It's also helped me as an entrepreneur, drawing on all of the fundamental skills I developed at Student Works. I have worked for large companies, including Goldman Sachs, Citigroup. I've founded companies that have gone public. Most recently, HLS Therapeutics, which is public on the Toronto Stock Exchange, with an enterprise value north of $500 million. All of these things, I think, really having the opportunity to work at Student Works and be part of an organization, be exposed to people that quite honestly were better than myself, but still having the ability to have a standout couple of summers there, really set me up well to have a career that I'm very proud of in business, and that I continue to work to enhance. I would tell them to get out of your comfort zone and just do it. I mean, at 18, 19 years old, I looked at myself and anything was possible. And still to this day, I feel that way. But truly at 18 and 19, where you have a safety net, you're not taking a whole lot of risk. You have this opportunity to get streamed into a career path that is extraordinary and differentiated from your peers, where you're managing, you're hiring people, you're making money, you're running a business, you're setting yourself up where you truly have a safety net, because worst thing happens in the world, everything else doesn't work out. You can go back and run a painting company. That's an extraordinary opportunity. And all you need to do is take action and apply and go through the process and work hard and do well. It is possible. And I look at myself before Student Works, I thought of myself as an underachiever. I really hadn't done anything that was standout or significant before I joined. When I joined and I did it, I worked hard and did well. And, it's almost like joining a club. I still have very, very close relationships and interact with the guys that I worked with as student painters, student works, to this day. They're still my closest friends. They still motivate me. I still can reach out to them, draw upon their wisdom and expertise. And that continues to help me in life. This is some 30 years on, if you can do it. So I'm happy to do this testimonial. Chris is a great guy, and I wish you the best of success.